Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn small letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. Kids, now coloring ABC. Kids, now coloring ABC. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow color. D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, again use blue color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Kids, neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color. The alphabets of H. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color. K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, again use red color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L. Kids, neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and use black color. The alphabets of M. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, and again use yellow color. It's neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and U is blue color. The alphabets of R. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use blue color and draw T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now do U for umbrella, U for ankle, and U is green color. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W for wallet, W for watch. Kids now draw X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and U is red color. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use red color and draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.